Alright guys, here's the status update of the masonry repair on the old Victorian Manor. They had cloth stuffed into the wall with this material. I don't know what it is. Hopefully it's not cancerous. Stay tuned for the rest of the repair. Alright guys, I'm going to try to cut this off level so I got a level surface to work with. Definitely am no expert at this, but we'll see what we can do. Alright people, this is what it's come to. I'm basically taking my grinder. I'm grinding this. I'm going to grind this all out flat so I have a nice surface to start with. Stay tuned. Alright people, the progress is continuing on the Victorian house. We got a roof out here. Doing a great job. That's how we're doing it. Little gutter project, little backstory on the house. Show you the house. One project after another. Everything's blessed, people. Keep up the hard work. Alright everybody, we're ending off the episode right here. Created a big enough mess for one day. Right, Sasha. Alright people, thanks for tuning in to the Sam Shuffler YouTube channel, Home Repairs. Catch you on the next one.